Hi everyone, we're going to start talking about the integumentary system, which is also known as the integument. And this will include, for example, the skin and everything that comes with it, like your hair, your nails, sweat and oil glands, and even your mammary glands. And it's probably the most looked at but least appreciated system in our body because it's the one we see every single day. And since everyone else sees it too, then we tend to spend a lot of time trying to improve its appearance. Whether that's washing our face or styling our hair or putting on makeup, we're constantly adjusting how our skin and its features will look. And when we meet someone new, we often use their skin's general appearance to guess things like their health or age. Healthy skin will have that smooth, fresh look, while younger skin tends to have fewer wrinkles. Skin also gives away our emotions. For example, when you blush because you're embarrassed or your face gets red with anger. And when something's wrong with your skin, it's hard to miss, right? So even small issues or blemishes get noticed immediately, and we're always trying to cover them up. And while more serious problems in other systems can be ignored for a long time. And that's probably why TV commercials, they focus so much on acne, which is going to be temporary but visible, instead of things like high blood pressure, which can be fatal but actually goes unnoticed. Your skin doesn't just serve as a cosmetic purpose, though. It will protect you from your outside environment. It gives you a ton of sensory information and even helps control your body temperature. And we'll go into more detail about these and other important functions as we dive deeper into the anatomy and physiology of the integumentary system in this PowerPoint presentation series. So let's get started. We're going to be talking about the general functions of the integumentary system. Although we are often concerned with how the integumentary system looks, it has many important functions that go beyond the appearance. Like I said earlier, it includes the skin and the accessory structures, which are the hair, the glands, which are of two types, oily and sweat, and the nails. It forms the boundary between the body and the external environment. Therefore, it's going to separate us from the external environment while still allowing us to interact with it. The major functions of the integumentary system are temperature regulation, protection, sensation, vitamin D production, and excretion. Even though we're going to be talking about these functions in more details in our last learning outcome of this module, I do want to give you an overview of these functions. With regards to temperature regulation, the skin is going to play an important role in regulating body temperature by controlling the blood flow through the skin and also by controlling the activity of the glands. The skin is the largest organ system as it covers the entire body. Though exposed to the external environment, the skin's structure reduces the negative and harmful effects of ultraviolet light, therefore protecting the body. It's going to act also as a barrier, as the skin also keeps microorganisms from entering the body, and it will prevent dehydration because it will reduce water loss. The sensation of the integumentary system is going to occur due to the sensory receptors that can detect heat, cold, touch, pressure, and even pain. And this will provide the sensory information about the surrounding environment. In relationship to vitamin D production, when our skin is exposed to the UV light, it will produce a molecule that can be transformed into the hormonal form of vitamin D, which is going to be an important regulator of calcium homeostasis. And in relationship to excretion, there are going to be small amounts of waste products that are going to be excreted through the skin and the glands.